Question number 148. Following solutions were prepared by mixing different volumes of NaOH and HCl of different concentrations. The following four options are given to us. We have to select one of them so that pH of which one of them will be equal to 1. Now moving towards the solution. So answer 1 is correct, means that C option is correct, which is pH of 75 ml M by 5 HCl and 25 ml M by 5 NaOH. They together will give pH of 1. We know that total volume total volume total volume total volume is equal to 75 plus 25 plus 25, which is equal to 100 of 100 ml 100 ml. So we get the total volume as 100 ml. Total volume as 100 ml, and then we know that the number of m mole of HCl is 75 ml into m by 5. We know that moles or m moles of HCl is 75 multiplied by its molarity 1 by 5, which gives 15 moles of HCl, and similarly we get 5 moles of NaOH. Now 5 moles of these 5 moles of NaOH will neutralize 5 moles of HCl, and remaining N15 minus 5, we will be left with 10 moles of HCl. We will get 10 moles of HCl with us, and then 10 moles of HCl with us. Then H plus concentration, or we can say HCl concentration is 10 moles 10 moles divided by total volume 100 ml 100 ml, which will give 0.1 molar 0.1 m. So we'll get concentration of HCl as 0.1 m, and or we can say concentration of H plus ion. Then pH is equal to minus log base 10 H plus ion concentration. Then pH is equal to minus log base 10 H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration, and we know that H plus ion concentration we have calculated, which is 0.1 m. On putting these values, we will get pH equals to is equal to 1. So we'll get our answer, that is 75 ml of m by 5 HCl plus 25 ml of m by 5 NaOH will give our pH 1. Thank you.